1, 2, 3 blocks, yes or no? Even if you cannot see them, they are still there. So when we do the math, we have to remember to always think about the picture in our head. So for this picture over here, I put down how many blocks? 5 blocks. So in your book, do you see it actually says how many unit cubes are there in each solid? Now a solid is when you take cubes and actually put it together to make something. Okay, in Minecraft you can make houses, you can make cars, you can make whatever. If you go to YouTube, there's actually a lot of people who build them. It's amazing. Now, for this one here, we can actually count how many cubes. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3. Up here is 4, and down here is 5. So in your book, 1A is how many? 5. So 5 cube units. Quickly, in your book, take a pencil. We have 3 cubes in the middle. Yes or no? Stop breaking things. We've got 3 cubes in the middle. Then we've got 1 cube in the front. We've got at the back here. We've got 1 stuck right over here. We've got 1 stuck right over here, and then we've got 1 stuck up here. So in your mind, this is what it should look like. Okay? There is your block. Now again, if I freeze screen here. So if we actually take this now, we can count how many blocks. This is what? 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. This is 4. Behind it is what? 5. Right? But if you look from this side, will I see the block at the bottom? No. But you have to see it in your mind. So here we have block 6. And up here we have block 7. So how many units do we have here? 7. 7. Now we have to guess how many cubes there are, yes or no? We cannot see all the cubes. Do you agree? So let's see. First, we have how many at the bottom? 4 at the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3, and then after that we have 1 in the front. We have 4. But at the same time, okay, this one we have 1 here. We've got 1 over here, 1 over here. And then they also told us we've got 1 at the top. Now this is what your picture looks like, yes or no? Math does not have pictures. Okay? So let's quickly build this. We've got 1, 2, we've got 3, 4, and then we've got 1 more at the top here. Then at the same time they put 1 over here, and they say, ta-da. Wrong side. Oh yes. It should be.
Pig. Kill a pig.
No. So again, from where we are looking, come on, from where we are looking, we can actually see all the blocks, yes or no? Who cannot see all the blocks? But if I go down here, and I go stand here, can you see all the blocks? No. So again, you have to see the picture in your, you have to see it in your mind. So let's see. If we look at it from this side, we cannot see all the cubes, but we can actually count how many. Let's quickly count those cubes. Now it's a Harry Potter cube. So we've got 1, 2, right here is 3. Right here is 4, and up here is 5. But again, we do not have magic blocks. They cannot float by themselves. So, under this block, we have block number 6. So, how many blocks do we have? 6 blocks. Perfect. Okay. I don't want to kill the pig. Okay. Now, from here, let's quickly see.
You said you are handsome.
I'm handsome. That pig is very handsome. Okay? So we've got 3 cubes coming down. We've got 1 in the middle. We've got
I'm not gonna open it.
another one here. Another one here.
The one at the top.
But the dots are not next to each other. Do you agree?
Yes.
So how do we draw 1 unit cube? Your dots on your paper have to be on these spots. So you can just choose a different color. It has to be on these spots. You see there's 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5, 6, 7. How many dots do I need to make one cube? 7 dots. Perfect. And the top part looks like a what? On mine it's not perfect because Minecraft doesn't have a perfect view. Perfect, it actually looks like a rhombus. We learned about rhombuses last week, yes?
Oh, yes.
So we actually have a rhombus at the top. But if you look at the bottom, it's actually a what? It looks like a parallelogram, yes or no?
Yep.
If you actually draw it from the right view, that can actually be a rhombus as well. So what you have to do is from those dots, I want you to take your pen or your pencil and actually draw the rhombus up here first. First, draw that rhombus. Just one block. I don't want you to make 3 million blocks. It literally asks you to make one block. Make a unit. Then we go down, we go up, and up. So it looks like an arrow. And then from here on, we combine the top parts and the bottom parts. So what we have to do, I now have 2 blocks, yes or no?
Yes.
So I'm first going to make the first view, then I'm going to change it to the second view. View is how you look at it, okay? We can change how we look at things. So first, let's do this one over here. Let's get it a little bit more perfect. Okay. So over here, how many dots do I need? Let's first look at the dots. Is it easy to make 1 cube or is it easy to make 2 cubes? First make 1 cube. That's the easiest, okay? So what I want you to do is again, select your point, and then make your rhombus. Always start with the rhombus at the top. The easiest to first make. Okay? First make the rhombus. I see many of you might have already started doing this. Please make sure you show me 2 blocks. The line in the middle, this line over here, do not erase it. You have to show it. I need to see the 2 blocks. What you're going to do is now make your second rhombus. Second rhombus, this point and this point up here. So if you now complete this rhombus, it should look something like this. Okay? You should see 2 rhombuses stuck next to each other. Who's not finished making the 2 rhombuses? Then, the next part is very easy. 1 unit. So 1 dot. We go down for 1 dot, down for 1 dot, down for 1 dot, and down for 1 dot. Okay? You have to make 4 lines down. Let's try and do something here. I'm going to put 1 on top. Okay? I'm going to put 1 up here. Now, if we look at this picture over here now. If we now look at this picture over here. What's the first thing that you see? How many rhombuses do I have? Come on. How many rhombuses do I have? I can only see 1 rhombus. So how many rhombuses can I draw? Only 1. So let's draw the rhombus first. So we make, there's our dots. And then from here, let's first complete the rhombus. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we actually have to make it 2 blocks down, not just 1 block down. So in your book, you'll see it actually has 2 dots. So we go down 1 dot, and we go down another dot down here. Same thing here. We have 1 dot, we have another dot. 1 dot, another dot. Just like last time, I told you the easiest way, finish the rhombus, then make an arrow. Make the arrow down. That's always the easiest way to draw these. So we make the arrow down. But I see I only have 1 dot down, so I have to go another dot to make another arrow down. Then how many lines do I still have to draw? Technically 4, because it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now that you know how to make these pictures, what I want you to do is look at number 3. It says, draw 2 different views of a cuboid. Remember, a cuboid is when we take a cube, stick them together to make new shapes. So we can now say, make a new cuboid with 3 cubes. So you have to draw 3 cubes. You can put them next to each other. You can put them on top of each other. You can build them in a pattern. It's up to you how you want to make use. 1, 2, and 3 cubes. Do you see my 3 different cubes? I can make them like this, or I can make them like this. 1, 2, 3 cubes. Yes or no? Those are 2 different cubes. Yes?
Yes.
But if you want to go old fancy, you can go 1, 2. This one. 1, 2, and then at the top put 3. But if you make something like this, remember, how many rhombuses do you see from the top? 2. This one over here, how many rhombuses do I see here? 1, 2, 3.